Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about fitness and workout plans business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the store, on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. So here you can skip this all if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. I'll wait a few seconds to build in this store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So now you can change your themes if you want and customize them on your home page. So here you can change the themes if you want. I'm gonna just skip this, the down theme. Just click add and it will be selected. So now after you select the theme, wait to install it, and after this publish it, and you can customize it on your home page. It will take you to here to your home page store. So here you find this styles of your home page. You can make it like a desktop, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So that's it. Now let's get back to the desktop. I'm gonna just skip it like this. This is the settings where you can design your homepage store. So here we have the header, the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on to change announcements. You can enable country region selector and enable language selector. So let's get back now. Let's move on to the announcements. You can change the text. You can also pass a link or search for something. For example, I'm gonna select the collections. Now let's move on to the header section. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu. Also you can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can change you can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. You can manage the mobile layout. Here you can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. Here you can edit the theme settings. So here you can put your social media links. You can put your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo section. Here you have to select your logo from your library. So for example, just search on it on the browser, fitness and workout plans, logo ideas, like this. So for example, you can choose whatever you want. So of course this is just for example. I'm gonna choose this. Of course you have to upload this from your library. So now this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want. You can edit it at any time you want. So that's it. Here you can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here you can select the image from the browser or from your library. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can add the second image if you want. Here you can change the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also you can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content position. Here you can show container on desktop, and also you can show container content alone. You can turn this on. You can edit the desktop content alignment. Here you can change the color scheme. You can manage the animations and the mobile layout. Here you can turn this on, the stock image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading. Here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. For example, fitness. Just click generate and choose from the suggestions. I'm gonna choose this. You can change the heading size. Now let's get back, let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label and you can add your first button link. If you already added the second image, here you can add the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back, let's move on to the featured collection. Here the featured collection, also you can generate the text, fitness and workout plans. Here change the heading size. Also here the description, just describe what the text is about and you can generate. Here you can change the form of the text. You can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. You can change the collection. Here you can make products full width. Also you can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. You can view turn this on, change the view all style. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can show second image on hover. You can manage the product card. You can enable quick add button and also you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. For example, rich text or image with a text or another image banner. That's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. Here you can change the color scheme. You can show email sign up. Also you can generate the text here. So that's it. You can show social media icons. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. You can show policy links. You can show payments icon. So that's it. Now let's save this after you're done from designer website. Now just save this. Let's get back to the home page to name your store. So after you customize your online store, after you import your first product, and after you add a custom domain and after you add the sharing details, now the next step is name your store. So here you can name it, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, you can change the store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. After you name your store, now you can set up a payment provider. Also you can set up your shipping rates. So that's it for today. That's how to launch your online store. After this, just click here launch your online store and pick a plan. You can also remove your store password. So here you can remove your store password. You can deactivate trial or choose a plan. So that's it for today. That's how to publish your online store and customize it easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.